And now shifting our focus to a crisis unfolding in the United States, where the monster winter storm has brought large parts of the US to a standstill, grounding thousands of flights and disrupting travel nationwide. Freezing rain, heavy rainfall, and dangerously low temperatures forced airlines to cancel and delay operations across major hubs. The deadly winter storm has claimed over 38 lives across the US. Social media is buzzing with extraordinary visuals from the United States after a powerful winter storm hit the country. Footage from Boston shows an unusual sight: one person skiing and another person snowboarding along snow-covered city streets, turning urban roads into makeshift slopes. In Washington, D.C., National Guard personnel were seen shoveling a snowbound bus tree as emergency crews worked to restore mobility after the storm. The storm dumped around a foot of snow from New Mexico to New England, paralyzing large parts of the eastern United States and leaving roads slick with ice. From the northeast to the south, daily life was severely disrupted, with snow and ice burying highways, grounding transport, and forcing at least 25 governors to declare state of emergency. Residents of Monterville were seen digging out their driveways on Monday, visuals on your screen, struggling to return to normal after a monster winter storm slammed the eastern United States. The powerful system dumped up to a foot of snow from New Mexico to New England, burying neighboring neighborhoods and crippling daily life. Local media reports say parts of Bergen County recorded at least 60 inches of snowfall, leaving cars stranded and roads impassable. And finally, a lighter moment from the deep freeze gripping the United States. Footage released on Saturday shows a polar bear at the Memphis Zoo, clearly enjoying the weather. The bear was rolling and playing in the snow, taking full advantage of conditions created by the powerful snowstorm. Visuals on your screen of the polar bear enjoying the snow that has actually paralyzed the United States. Have a look at this report. Well, US, the life has been disrupted in a lot of states. 25 governors have declared state of emergency, with life coming to an halt.